Hi everyone, welcome to Kayla and Aria. Today I'm going to be unboxing my latest Temu haul. I'm a Temu influencer, so I get these items for free. If you want to shop on Temu using my affiliate link, you can check the link down below and you'll get discounts using my link. Alright, let's start unboxing. So these are the items that I got. These are markers. It's an 80-piece set touch markers. I like to draw and color, so I got this one. I've honestly forgot the prices of these, so it's gonna be in the comment section. It's gonna be in the description below, and I'm also gonna include the links where to get the links to these items. So these are the items that I got. These are markers. I love to color and draw. So I got this one. It's an 80-piece set. I guess this is a cheap version of something like Copic markers or Prismacolor markers. Those are really expensive. I have those too, but I want to try these ones, and I'm gonna let you know the quality. But for the price, I think getting all these colors is really worth it. Like most alcohol based markers, this has two nibs. This is for a thicker one and a finer line, a finer nib. If you have Prismacolor markers or Copic markers, you'd be familiar with this. They have a lot of colors. That's so cool. Pale cherry pink, medium pink, pale lavender, fluorescent rose, burnt sienna, and all these. That's so awesome. And this is a mini storage for pencils, or pens. That's it. These are notebooks. This is a notebook. So that's it. These are pens. It's for drawing. Pigment liner, water-based, water-resistant. If you like to draw, you're probably familiar with pens such as Micron, and this would be a dupe for that. The last one is just a sticker that says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." My little one has her own small business, and I figured this sticker would be useful for her. That's pretty much it. The bulk of the $30 went to the colored markers, and these are probably just $1, a few cents to make up for the $30. So that's my Temu haul. If you have experience shopping on Temu, let me know. I've probably ordered from Temu twice, not as a Temu influencer, and I got them on time, usually a week. So far, I've been happy with everything I got from Temu. I think they're really cheap and the quality is great.